Got a leftover ham bone? Don't throw it out. We'll show you how to use it to make the best tasting soup you've ever had. So the night before, soak 1 pound of navy beans in water. Then, the next day, give them a good drain and a rinse. This ensures they cook up perfectly creamy. Now, in a large pot, drop in that meaty ham bone along with your soaked beans. Add a chopped onion, sliced celery, sliced carrots, minced garlic, and dried thyme for that classic flavor base. Now, pour in 8 cups of yummy, homemade chicken stock. Season it with salt and pepper, but remember, ham bones can be salty, so season accordingly. Add bay leaves for even more flavor. This is going to be off the charts delicious. Now, cover the pot and let it simmer low and slow for 2.5 hours. Your kitchen is going to smell incredible. Once the beans are tender, pull out that bone. Trim off all that succulent ham, chop it up, and stir it right back into the pot. Serve the soup nice and hot. Every spoonful is packed with tender ham and hearty navy beans. This is exactly what you want waiting for you on a chilly day. Now for the best part, the dunk. That cornbread acts like a sponge for all those savory flavors. Simply irresistible. Enjoy!